at one of my job sites, we're converting the single story to 2 stories. My team behind me is taking down the whole roof where the second story will be building up. And we have to be very delicate in what we're doing. So it is step by step, second by second. That way the quality is intact. This will allow us to build and frame out our second story. Our clients are getting so excited how everything is coming together. This is such a delicate process. You want to make sure your team is informed on the safety protocols. And that's what we do as a team. We always let our team know, always be careful, go step by step, go second by second. That way we can keep the integrity and quality of the job that we're doing. If you look behind me, you'll see this open space between the wall on the left and the wall on the right. Part of the construction process, what we're doing is we're actually combining this whole space into one. So the clients are gonna be able to maximize this whole space for their family time, their TV time, hosting their guests. Right now, the construction site looks chaotic, a lot going on. If you continue to follow us, you're gonna see the end result and the progress to get there. So please like and subscribe. And if you wanna see more cool construction and real estate content, please follow us. My name is JoJo with the SOJO team.